How should you split your paycheck? Start with your take home pay. Use the after tax net income from your most recent paycheck, not your gross salary. List your essential monthly expenses. Write down rent, mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, minimum debt payments, transportation, and basic phone/internet. Set a needs target 50%, 60% of take home. Aim to keep essentials at about 50 to 60% of your paycheck. If it's a higher, look for cheaper alternatives. Calculate your surplus, subtract total essentials from your take home pay, and remainder is your money surplus for savings, investings, and wants. Allocate 10 to 25% of that surplus to savings/emergency fund. Build a 3-level emergency fund, 1 month, then 3 months, then 6 months of essential expenses. Contribute to retirement up to your employer match. If you have a 401k, contribute enough to get full employer match first. Assign 20 to 40% of the surplus to investing or extra savings goals. Use this for Roth IRA, brokerage account, or other long-term goals. Set aside 5 to 15% for wants. This is your guilt-free spending for dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and small treats. Automate everything, so set up direct deposit splits and automatic transfers to savings, retirement, and investment accounts on per day, so the splits happen automatically. If this helps, subscribe.